And at the same time, HVAC crews all across central Indiana are bracing for a busy stretch.
Yeah, Fox 59 Scarlett O'Hara shows us what could help keep your air conditioning system and your summer from melting down ahead of this first big heat wave this year.
It's that time of year again. Your air conditioner's working overtime, and soon every HVAC crew in central Indiana will be too.
When it gets hot, everything is hot, right? So all those components are put under a lot more stress. This thing also gets hot because it's constantly having power run through it, so this can actually swell up. Sometimes they burst.
Jarrett Gaines, an instructor with Summers Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, says the main thing that could make or break your system during the upcoming heat wave in the forecast is whether you've kept up with routine maintenance.
It's kind of funny that something like this, it's, $5-10 at the store, but this can be a system killer or at least cause problems with it.
The cost comparison will make you break a sweat if you haven't already.
Yearly maintenance, maybe $150 to take care of it, to come out a couple times a year and clean it, and repairs can go anywhere from, twice that all the way up to thousands depending on what's wrong with it.
To keep extra pressure off your cooling system, the experts at Summers also advise closing your shades and blinds, keeping the thermostat set at a reasonable temperature, even if it's a few degrees higher than you're used to, and avoiding running the stove. If your AC still fails you, they say they're here to help, even if it takes a little extra time.
Everybody will be calling. We do the best we can. We'll bring in extra people if we need to, but you just be patient. It's hot and you're hot. We're hot too. We're trying to fix it, so we'll get to you. It just might take a little bit longer.
In Noblesville, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.